So hello friends, a great welcome to you on Pharmacy Tech. In this video, we are discussing about gut health. If your stomach is happy, your whole body is happy. You want better digestion, clear skin and more energy? Let's start with your gut. Your gut isn't just for digesting food. It's home to trillions of good bacteria that influence your mood, immunity and even brain health. When your gut is healthy, you feel lighter and more focused. But when it's not healthy, you feel bloating, gas, and such kind of things. See, let's fix your gut with some simple foods. First up, fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi add good bacteria to your gut. Next, high fiber foods like oats, banana, anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and ginger support a healthy gut lining. And hydration is a key. See, drinking enough water keeps your digestion smooth. Supplements can help, but choose wisely. Like probiotics restore healthy bacteria and reduce bloating. Probiotics feed the good bacteria and can be found in powder or capsules. Digestive enzymes help break down foods, especially if you feel heavy after meal. L-glutamine is a great for repairing the gut lining, especially for leaky guts. Omega-3s can help you reduce the gut inflammation. Remember, always consult your doctor before starting any supplement. Food and supplements work best when you support them with good habits. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Make it a difference. Reduce stress and aim 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Try to avoid excess sugar and processed foods. Your gut will be thank you for you. See, a healthy gut equals a healthy life. Start adding one gut friendly food to your diet and feel the changes. Want more healthy tips? Follow for daily wellness and inspiration. Thank you.